Hello everyone, it's me, Lola Javan, here with another unexpected video. Remember earlier this summer when y'all crashed the publisher's website in your orders of the book Monstrous? Well, I got a message from the publisher just this morning with more incredible news. Thank you so much, because the single copies of this book, Monstrous, have officially sold out. I mean, you guys did that. The single copies are sold out. They still have a few of the full experience packages that have a book with the fairy tale survival kit packaged along with it, but they have no more single copies. So if you were thinking, like I was thinking, wow, maybe this fall I'll grab some more copies to give away for holiday gifts or birthdays or whatever, don't wait. Because these are gone and soon the others will be too. So if you still want a copy of the book with the fairy tale survival kit, go on over to Wayward Books, www.waywordbooks.com, and grab your copy of Monstrous, the full experience with the fairy tale survival kit. And thank you. I mean, my first book contract with this incredible limited edition imprint publisher, and you've sold out the single copies. I mean, you're gonna make me cry. It's more of a dream come true. You did that. Thank you so much. And I'll see you next time. Bye.